Hello, my dear students, friends, and well-wishers. Welcome to our Square Maths YouTube channel. Since for many days we are going through polynomials, and now the division of polynomials we discussed earlier also. Today it's a different problem when compared with our previous problems. Let us go through it. What is our different? So divide 2x cube plus x square plus x plus 5 by 2x minus 1. Also find the quotient and the remainder. So this problem we are going to do the division by this polynomial with our 2x minus 1. So this is our dividend and this is our divisor. If you observe carefully the divisor, the quotient of x is nothing but 2 here. In the previous problems we discussed the quotient of x as 1. So we are going to perform by long division method to do our division. So let f of x be our polynomial 2x cube plus x square plus x plus 5, nothing but which is our dividend, and g of x is nothing but 2x minus 1, which is our divisor. So by the log division method we are going to continue. So 2x minus 1 here, and here it is 2x cube plus x square plus x plus 5. Since obviously they are both in the standard forms, that's why I have written directly. If they are not in the standard form, we have to check it. You know very well that by the long division method, be careful and go through the rough work, the steps, then only we can overcome the problem. So here the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. So 2x cube by 2x gives you x square. 2 and 2 get cancelled. X cube by x power 1 gives you x square. So this is our quotient x square. And next what you have to do, 2x minus 1 we have to multiply with x square, this x square. So nothing but 2x cube minus x square. So 2x cube minus x square. So after writing we have to change the sign. So since here it is plus, we have to make it minus. So minus, here it is plus. After changing the signs we have to consider the new sign. 2x cube minus 2x cube gives you 0. Next x square plus x square, nothing but 1x square plus 1x square gives you 2x square. Since the divisor has two terms, here only one term in the new dividend, we had to drop one more term, nothing but x. So the number of terms in the divisor should be here, the place, the number of terms in the new dividend. Next the same step follows, the first step of work, and the next here 2x square by 2x. So x power 2 by x square. X power 2 by x gives you x. So plus x. The same plus x you have to multiply with 2x minus 1. So 2x minus 1 I have to multiply with x. So that I will get 2x square minus x. 2x square minus x. So 2x square minus x here. So plus, so change the sign minus, and here it is plus. So 2x square minus 2x square get cancelled, and x plus x is 2x, and here it is 5 because two terms it should be. Again the same step here, 2x by 2x. So 2x by 2x gives you obviously 1 time. So again here it is 1. So 2x plus 5 here. So and 2x minus 1 here. So 2x by 2x we got 1. So this 1 we have to multiply with 2x minus 1. Anyhow you will get 2x minus 1. So the same 2x minus 1 here itself, and after writing change the sign, so minus, and here it is plus. Since here it is plus, so minus. 2x minus 2x is 0, and 5 plus 1 gives you 6. So by observation what we can say here, the division comes to an end. So our problem is divide this f of x with our g of x, then we had to find out the quotient and remainder. So therefore I can say now the conclusion here. What is our conclusion? Q of x is x square plus x plus 1, and our r of x, the remainder r of x or only the x or only the r here, since it is a constant, it is 6. So hence when you divide f of x by g of x, the quotient is x square plus x plus 1 and r of x, the remainder is 6. So this is by which method? Long division method. So the same, let us check whether we are going to get the same by Horner's method of synthetic division what we discussed earlier. So please students, don't miss the Horner's method of synthetic division. Please watch continuously. So now we'll discuss the same problem by Horner's method of synthetic division to find the quotient and the remainder when our f of x is divided by g of x. Okay. So now what is our f of x? 2x cube plus x square plus x plus 5, and g of x is 2x minus 1. Okay. So for Horner's method of synthetic division, check whether it is in standard form or not. Yes. So x cube term, x square term, x term and the constant, and the same for g of x. So here write the quotients 2, 1, 1 and here it is 5. So write the 0 here. Now the small questions the students may arise or get doubt. So what is the 0 of the polynomial we have to consider? Since our g of x is 2x minus 1, the quotient of x is 2, it is not 1. So to get it, the 0 of the polynomial equate to 0. So 2x is equal to 1 implies x is equal to 1 by 2. This x is equal to 1 by 2 is will act as 0 of this polynomial. So place 1 by 2 and proceed. So 2 plus 0 is 2 and 2 into 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2 gives you 1. So nothing but 1. Again 1 plus 1 is 2. Same 2 into 1 by 2, again it is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Again 2 into 1 by 2 is again 1. And finally 5 plus 1 gives you 6. Here the remainder is 6. So this third degree polynomial will be reduced to second degree polynomial because here it is a linear polynomial. We have been divided cubic polynomial with a linear polynomial. Then as usually we get a second degree polynomial. Now see here, this is our 2x square and this is our 2x and this is our constant 2. But in the previous case, our q of x is nothing but x square plus x plus 1, but here 2x square plus 2x plus 1. So actually by both the methods you should get the same answer. Here we can overcome it because 2x minus 1 for the divisor, the quotient of x is 2. Please students, whatever the quotient of x it may be plus 2 or minus 7 or 5 by 2, the same you have to divide here. So nothing but 2x square plus 2x plus 2 you should divide with 2. Okay, so 2x square by 2 plus 2x by 2 plus 2 by 2. Finally this is ones and here it is ones and finally ones gives you x square plus x plus 1. So this is our q of x. So please students, this is not our q of x. If this is so our q of x, please apply the division rule for polynomials. Dividend is equal divided into quotient plus remainder. You should get this one, but you won't get. So consider q of x as 2x square plus 2x plus 2 by 2. Then x square plus x plus 1 will act as a quotient for the given problem. So this plays important role here at this situation. Since the quotient of x in our divisor is 2, with that we have to divide to get our final quotient. So This is the very rarest concept for the students and various candidates. Those are learning for 8, 9, 10 student, 8, 9, 10 syllabus of polynomials, Horner's method of synthetic division and long division method. So finally our conclusion is, what is our conclusion? Q of x is x square plus x plus 1 and R of x is 6. By Horner's method of synthetic division we got. Previously what we discussed, long division method, the same problem, we got the same quotient of x and the remainder. So once again go through the look here students, you can have the copy. So finally I want to say that, so whatever the methods it may be, not only for polynomials, division of polynomials, various methods, go through both the methods and get the confirmation and have the best experience. I hope so you have been gone through the video very well, you got the better experience. So after watching the video, please students and well-wishers, subscribe and share my channel, S Square Maths YouTube channel, like and comment. Thank you.